Okay, today we're going to talk about the daily workflow and your daily schedule. So you're going to start by going to the unit that you're working on, which we're starting out with onboarding. And so we're all in onboarding right now learning how to do this class. You're going to click on the unit access. This takes you to the actual unit right here. This is what your page looks like. It tells you the unit, and then you're going to see a pacing tracker. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go down and find your name. And when you find your name, you're going to go across, and it's going to tell you what you're on. You can scroll all the way across to see everything that's in the pacing tracker. Now, I'm going to go to mine where you can actually see this, okay? So this person right here has mastered the first lesson. This is the first lesson, and this teal color always starts a new lesson. So the next lesson is benefits, and it has 3 sections in it. So it's got benefits teal, benefits blue, and benefits gray. So this person's mastered the first lesson. They've mastered the second, or the first part of the teal part of the benefits, and I've asked them to go back and revise the blue benefits. And then because I want them to spend extra time revising that, I'm going to have them skip the benefits here. Okay, and the same thing is happening here. This person is being asked to skip the next 2 sections because I'm having them revise it, and it's taking them a long time to do that. So as we go down across the chart, you're going to know, okay, now this person is ready for this. And as I enter these values into this chart, you will see this within 5 minutes. It updates every 5 minutes into this chart. So when you come in tomorrow, or if you're home virtual and you need to know what am I doing today, the way you're going to do that is you're going to go, oh, okay, let's see. The pacing chart says I'm ready for this. The pacing chart says I'm revising this. So I'm still revising here. And once you've mastered that, I will come in and change that to say mastered. And now I'm ready for you to start here. Okay? So that's how the pacing guide works. So once you find out what you're doing, then you're going to go down to that lesson. So if the pacing guide says that you are ready for productivity, then you're going to go down. It says ready for productivity. You just scroll down to productivity, and you're going to click on that. So if the pacing guide told you you've already done the teal section, you're ready for the blue, you would start the blue. Okay? You must do the exit ticket on every lesson, no matter how many tasks you've been assigned up here. And once you've completed your work, you must go back to Google Classroom and turn it in. So if you'll notice here is logins and passwords. Everything that you do for the logins and passwords, you will attach. So if this is the section on, let me go back to logins and passwords. Up here, you go back up here to logins and passwords. Anything that it asks you to do, now this is a Padlet, so you do it in Padlet. There's the video explaining what you're going to do in the lesson, and your lesson is attached. And then there's no assignments here. So what you do here will be attached to this because that is your logins and passwords lesson. So everything you do gets attached there. All right, if you have any questions, please ask 3 before me and watch the video again. If you need extra help, if you pause the video as you're going to go step by step, if that helps also. And then email me if you're virtual, and I'll be happy to help you.